Imagine walking outside one night, and instead of seeing the familiar glow of the moon, there's just nothing. No moonlit glow, no tides ebbing and flowing as usual, just an eerie emptiness. But what would really happen to Earth if the moon suddenly disappeared? Well, buckle up, because the consequences would be far more catastrophic than you might think. The moon is more than just a celestial decoration. It plays an essential role in shaping life on Earth, and its sudden disappearance would throw our planet into chaos. First off, nighttime would become much darker, with no moonlight to guide us. Think about remote areas or dense forests that rely on this natural light. Travel would become dangerous, and predators and prey in the wild would face major disruptions in their behavior. But that's just the beginning. Without the moon's gravitational pull, the tides would be reduced by about 2/3. The dramatic rise and fall of water that we're used to would almost stop, destroying delicate coastal ecosystems that depend on the tides for survival. Without the moon, Earth's tilt would become unstable over time, leading to extreme and unpredictable climate changes. The moon acts like a stabilizing anchor, preventing Earth from wobbling too much on its axis. Without that anchor, we could see shifts similar to what happens on Mars, where the planet's tilt varies wildly. This would lead to dramatic seasonal changes, potentially sending us into ice ages or periods of extreme heat every few thousand years. The loss of the moon's influence on the tides also has a ripple effect on the ocean currents that regulate our climate. Ocean currents drive global weather systems, distributing heat and moisture across the planet. Without these currents functioning properly, regional climates could swing to extremes. Think hotter summers, colder winters, and stronger storms. And, of course, animals would be utterly confused. No moonlight means nocturnal predators like owls and lions would struggle to hunt, while prey, like rodents, might thrive in the deeper darkness. Entire ecosystems would shift and adapt to this new, moonless world. Looking further ahead, without the moon, Earth's rotation would also slow down, making days much longer than 24 hours. This change would wreak havoc on natural cycles that all living things are adapted to, from plant growth to sleep patterns. But beyond the physical effects, we'd lose something more personal. The moon has inspired art, science, and exploration for millennia. From the Apollo missions to countless poems, it has always been a guiding light, literally and metaphorically. Without it, humanity would lose a part of its identity, a connection to something bigger than ourselves. The good news? The moon isn't going anywhere soon, but thinking about its disappearance reminds us just how much we rely on this seemingly simple rock in the sky. If this what-if scenario got you thinking about the future, check out our video on what if robots took over the workforce. We dive deep into how automation could reshape society. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to Sajib Global for more thought-provoking scenarios like this one.